Ever dreamed of building a bright financial future? Maybe you've dabbled in stocks or toyed with the idea of a robo-advisor. But with so many investment platforms out there, how do you know which ones are legit? Today, we're diving deep into Wealthsimple, a popular platform that's caught the eye of many new investors. But is the hype real, or is it too good to be true? Let's face it, navigating the world of finance can be intimidating. You see dazzling ads promising high returns, hear whispers of hidden fees, and worry about the safety of your hard-earned cash. Before you jump in, it's crucial to understand what Wealthsimple is all about, its strengths and weaknesses, and ultimately, if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Breaking down Wealthsimple, a financial Swiss Army knife? Wealthsimple isn't just a stockbroker. Think of it as a multi-tool for your financial life. It offers a robo-advisor service, self-directed investing, and even a cash account with a tempting interest rate. The robo-advisor, Wealthsimple Invest, is its bread and butter. You answer a questionnaire about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthsimple creates a diversified portfolio based on low-cost ETFs. It automatically rebalances and reinvests your contributions, making it a hands-off approach to investing. For those who crave more control, Wealthsimple Trade lets you buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs commission-free. Perfect for active investors who want to pick their own investments. They also offer a cash account with a competitive interest rate, which can be a handy spot to park your emergency fund. So, is it legit? Here's the deal. Wealthsimple is a legitimate financial platform regulated by major financial authorities in Canada, Iraq, and the UK, FCA. They have over 3 million users and billions of dollars in assets under management. Plus, they're backed by a powerhouse, the Power Financial Corporation, a major player in the financial services industry. Here's the good news: Wealthsimple is transparent about its fees, which are generally lower than traditional brokers. Their robo-advisor service charges a management fee based on your account size, and their self-directed investing comes with commission-free trades. Is it all sunshine and rainbows? Not quite. While Wealthsimple boasts a user-friendly platform and low fees, there are some limitations to consider. Their robo-advisor offers a limited selection of investment options compared to some competitors. If you're a seasoned investor craving advanced research tools and margin trading, Wealthsimple Trade might not be the best fit. It caters more towards beginners and passive investors. There's also no customer service phone number, which might be a turnoff for some who prefer live support. The verdict: is Wealthsimple right for you? Ultimately, whether Wealthsimple is legit depends on your individual needs. Here's a quick breakdown. Ideal for beginners wanting a hands-off approach through a robo-advisor. Investors seeking a commission-free platform for basic stock and ETF investing. Anyone looking for a high-interest cash account. Maybe not ideal for experienced investors needing advanced research tools and margin trading. Those who prefer personalized advice from a financial advisor. People who value phone-based customer support. Do your research, invest wisely. Wealthsimple is a legit platform with a lot to offer, but it's not a magic bullet. Before diving in, research different investment options, understand your risk tolerance, and consider your financial goals. Remember, diversification is key, and Wealthsimple might be a great piece of your overall financial puzzle. But it's always wise to consult a financial advisor for personalized recommendations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.